Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some tips to fix iPhone stuck on preparing update or install now. Firstly, you need force restart your iPhone. To do that, volume up, down, then hold the power button until you see an Apple logo. Don't let go. Let it turn off again, and when you see the Apple logo again, allow it to boot. Note, for force restart instructions for iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, or iPhone SE, first generation, models that don't support iOS 16, see the iOS 15 version of this page. After restart is done, go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Wait for a few seconds for the screen to populate. Find the iOS update file from the list of apps and tap it. Then tap Delete Update. After deleting it, restart your iPhone. After restart is done, go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update and restart the update process again. If the problem still occurs, then reset all network settings. To do that, open the settings of your iPhone. Next, tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart. After trying every step above, if the issue persists, and you still want updating your iPhone, then try updating your iPhone manually. For this, you will need a computer with iTunes pre-installed. Open iTunes on your computer. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer with a lighting cable. Now, go to iTunes. Select your iPhone and go to Summary. Select Check for Update. If you don't have a computer and you can't borrow one, you need to go to an Apple retail store or Apple authorized service provider for help. So that's it guys. Hope this helps you. Please leave a comment if you need help.